Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. This will be our moving vlog. It's our last day in Germany in this apartment at our place in Germany, and tonight we are heading to Switzerland, to Zurich, and we are moving houses. So I wanted to show you what we are up to. I just wanted to vlog this moment here on my channel. Let me show you the place. So here is the apartment. You walk in, there is a hall. This is the hallway, and we have here our luggage. So the first room will be the bathroom. That's my husband. So here is our bathroom situation. You can see it's really huge bathroom. Here we have our tub, and what I really love about this bathroom is that you have really big windows, and you have two sinks, one for him and one for her. So here we have our bedroom. Again, it's really bright, especially when it's sunny. It's really nice. And yes, so here we had our bed and stuff. And what I will really miss about this place will be the view. We are in the middle of winter and it's really snowy, and you can see the trees over there, the woods, and it's so peaceful all seasons. It was such a beautiful scenery to watch and enjoy, especially in the evenings. Especially in the evening, it was really nice to watch the sunset every night. I mean, every season it was so special. I filmed most of them on my Instagram stories, so if you follow me there, you know what I'm talking about. But the view is spectacular. Every night, every sunset, it was so special, and that's one of the things I will be missing the most. And here is our living room slash dining room slash kitchen place. So you enter this way and you have this huge high ceiling. It's almost like 3 meters, and this was the best thing about having a high ceiling, was to have a big Christmas tree over here. Here you have, on the right side was our couch, which we thought, and the beautiful view from our place. So pretty. You have the kitchen. You have the kitchen, the plot. Here is a view to the street. This was our place in Germany, and we really miss it. So let me show you from this window, the huge window. You have some parking. Here is the street, and we had a supermarket there. I just wanted to film this, vlog this, and when I want to go back and watch these old videos and remember our first place in Germany. And now we are moving to Switzerland, but I will come back later in the vlog. I have a vlog. I vlogged our empty apartment tour in Zurich, so if you're interested, I'm gonna link it here and you can watch it. But now I must help my husband. Bye! That's what I'm talking about. Good morning and welcome to the continuing part of my moving vlog. So today is Tuesday. We came to Zurich yesterday in the morning, and we brought all our stuff here at the new place. And basically on Saturday we went to IKEA to order our bed, because we sold all our furniture in Germany. The only possibility for delivery was today, which is the next day we arrived. So last night we didn't have a bed in the room and we slept on the floor. This was our bed situation, but I wrote it because the delivery guys came just right now and we should build it up and put it maybe right here, and I will show you later the final result or the process of building a bed by IKEA. The whole day we were unpacking and it was a big mess in the house. Also, we'll make some breakfast. I have some old bananas and I have some oats milk, and I will make some breakfast because we didn't manage to have a breakfast. We came in the morning and I had time to clean the kitchen, and I put some of our plates here, some of our cups, and we put all our luggage and stuff here in the spare room, and it's a bit of a mess. Definitely we need some time to unpack and put everything in place. My husband built our chairs. We have 2 chairs. It's my monitor, some table, small table, and we built the bed. I will come back later and show you the final result. See you later. So from 9 o'clock and now it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we finally built the bed. Now we will take a shower and we will go to IKEA to buy some sheets and some things for the house. Let me show you the bed right now. Is the frame, it's white, all white. We still don't have internet at home, so two things in one. We are here to buy some things, but also to use the internet connection. We are almost connected. Done with the shopping. We have kit and some stuff for the bed, also some toilet brush, some thing for the dishes, all white. We bought white sheets and also, yeah, so everything white. Morning, it's Wednesday and we slept really good on the new bed, and now it's a Wednesday morning, and now I will prepare some healthy banana oats pancakes. They are really easy. So we do the ingredients that you will need. You will need some oats, you will need cinnamon. I put 2 eggs, one banana, and little bit of milk. Here's my pan ready to go. So that you will need 1 banana, and I will smash it with a fork really fast. You put 2 eggs. 1, 2. I put around 200 grams. I put oats, then some cinnamon, and a dash of milk. Sometimes I put coconut oil. I always put the first one and see how it goes, if it needs more milk or more oats. So now I am gonna show you the bedroom and what we did so far. So yesterday we bought the new sheets for the bed. They're all white pillows, which are pretty special for me because they're handmade. The mother of my grandma, and she did it by herself. I decided that they will look really pretty and be a pop of color. Till now I will leave them right here. We still need to put something. I want to put some poster. So I would love to buy 1 blanket which will go this way on the bed. I did this morning. It's in the bathroom. I put some candle here. I also managed to put everything in place here in the bathroom. I put some skincare here, some makeup that I'm using every single day, like this Catrice foundations, primers, also mascara, lipsticks, perfume. Here are my powder, blushes, bronzers, highlighters. I have some brushes, makeup brushes, eyeliners, lip liners, all put together and really easy to take and use every single day.